If you try to record something, you have to record it good. So we are going to scroll back up, get out of the synesthesia page, and write, what is Internet Protocol on Wikipedia? Just type in Internet, and Wikipedia will give you some general writing paths. General access, activism, censorship, data activism, democracy, digital divide, digital rights, freedom, freedom of information, internet phenomena, net neutrality, privacy, right to access, internet access, selectivism, sociology, usage, vigilantism, virtual community, virtual volunteering, governance, IGF, NRO, IANA, ICNN, IETF, ISOC, information infrastructure, domain name system, hypertext transfer protocol, internet exchange point, internet protocol suite, internet protocol, transmission control protocol, internet service provider, IP address, internet message access protocol, simple mail transfer protocol, services, blogs, microblogging, email, fax, file sharing, file transfers, instant messaging, podcasts, shopping, television, voice over IP, World Wide Web, history of the internet, all those domain names, pioneers, protocol wars, internet exchange point, article, talk from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, internet exchange points, IXES or IXPS are commonly grounds of IP networking, allowing participants, internet service providers, ISPs, to exchange data destined for their respective networks. IXPs are generally located at places with pre-existing connections to multiple distinct networks, meaning data centers, and operate physically infrastructure switches to connect their participants. Organizationally, most IXPs are each independent not-for-profit associations of their constituent participating networks. That is, the set of ISPs which participate at that IXP. The primary alternative to IXPs is private peering, where ISPs directly connect their networks to each other. IXPs reduce the portion of an ISP's traffic that must be delivered via their upstream transit providers, thereby reducing the average per bit delivery cost of their service. Furthermore,